I didn't think anyone would ever believe me. And I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna take this secret to my grave. The he I'm referring to is my father. The abuse started around 9, and it escalated over 2-3 years. I went on for about 6 years of my adolescent. Pretty much it was most of my adolescent. His explanations sometimes when he would speak would be, I'm doing this for your good because I don't want any other guy to take advantage of you. I kind of shut down. I just didn't trust people anymore. And as I spent more and more time at the Safe Center, each session gave me a little bit of my power back. Each session began to free the little girl I tied away so many years ago. They didn't see me as damaged goods or messed up. They saw me as a child who was a victim of sexual abuse, and that though this has happened to me, there was hope of recovery. There was hope of, having a different outcome.
I was abused for years, for like on and off about 18 years. My son was taken from me because of the abuse. I had to end up giving my son to my cousin because I got involved with drugs and alcohol, and my life was just in shambles. The Safe Center is awesome. They loved me until I could love myself. I'm here today to let people know that there is help. The Safe Center, the people here really do love you. They are dedicated to helping a person like me. I am a survivor today. I'm no longer a victim.
My father was a very violent man. He would beat my mother up all the time and, beat us up all the time. My mother would dress me in 2-3 pairs of pants because she knew my father was going to beat me, with the belt, with sticks, with his fist. My father had a friend named Al. Al knew I hated my father, so he played the role. I know you can't stand your father. I know you hate your dad. And it all eventually led to him leading me down to his apartment. Slowly but surely, he groomed me into the process of sexual abuse. Part of his thing was he used to pour beer into a cup for me, and would say, oh, this is cool, you're drinking beer with, with the guys, and, that's what buddies do. He pinned me down to a bed. He put the back of his forearm into my neck, and he raped me. And I knew that day I made a decision to suppress this thing that happened to me and to put it away and to never let it out. I always felt like I lost my soul, that a thief came and took my soul when I was a kid and stole my innocence. It was Thanksgiving, and I decided this day was going to be the day I was going to take my life and commit suicide. I was making some phone calls to family and friends, and I was saying goodbye. Called my sister. She goes, I know. She goes, I know what happened to you. We got to go get you help. I'm here today because I want men that are suffering, that are going through what I've gone through, and I want them to go get help, to know that there's a place where they can go to for help to better their lives and to figure this out.
I felt like God just put me in the right place at the right time because I was going to go through something that I could not have done it by myself. I experienced domestic violence at the hands of my significant other at the time, you feel very isolated and you feel like you're the only one who's going through it and you feel ashamed. I have a daughter and I need to protect myself and I need to protect her and I need to get out of this before I lose my mind. And having just the kind people, the good-hearted people that were here, you know, just with that drive to help people who can't help themselves at the moment was just, you know, unforgettable.
There's a place on Long Island where there's a group of people that care, that I call them angels. Coming here now, it's got to be about 10 years. I mean, once a week. Come for my appointments, my therapy, and it's opened up other avenues in my life to where, you know, I realize, you know, my goal in life is to help kids and to help children and to make a difference.
I could say that the Safe Center is a miracle. That's the word I could say. It's a miracle place. It's a place where miracles happen because I am a miracle.